Hi, I'm Priyanka Evangeline, your internet speech language pathologist. Does your child watch a lot of YouTube videos? Have you been told that screen time is very bad for children? I have a very different view that screen time is only bad if it is one way and it is for a long time. What I mean is, if the child is sitting passively and only observing the videos and not interacting with the video, then it is not that great. And even this can be allowed for children for a little amount of time. Not for very long, maybe 15 to 20 minutes a day is not going to harm the child. But I'm going to tell you how to take your screen time to the next level. I'm going to tell you how to make it two-way, how to make the screen time interactive. So 3 strategies on how to make screen time more like speech therapy or to actually teach communication during watching videos. Okay, so the first tip is to pause, point and describe. Pretty simple, no? So let's say your child is watching a video. This can work more better if you have the video on a bigger screen like your TV, but even with phone it works. So when your child is watching the video, pause the video and then hold it in your hand or hold it a little farther away. So you're going to pause and you're going to hold the screen next to you and then you're going to point and describe. Like, Bear is pulling the door. Bear is pulling. Bear is opening the door. Bear is opening the door. So, can we help him? Shall we also pull? Shall we also pull? So, you take your child's hand, make a fist and pull the door. Pull the door. Say, tell the bear, open the door. Open the door. So, in this scene, the bear from Masha and the bear is trying to eat the chess piece. So you can again pause at this point, chess game, the chess piece. So you pause at this point and then point to the bear and say, no. Point and say, no, don't eat, don't eat, don't eat. So you, like this way, whatever video your child is watching, pause it at some interesting point, maybe once in every minute or once in 2 minutes, and then point at what is happening and then describe it or exclaim about it. The second technique is to do exclamations. So the first one was to pause, point and describe, and the second technique is to give a lot of exclamations about the video. Now let's say this is the video of Peppa Pig and there's a duck. So Peppa is looking at the duck. So you will say, oh, there is a duck. There is a duck. There is a duck. Duck says quack, quack. Duck says quack, quack. So in like this way, whatever new thing or interesting thing that comes up in the video, you point at it and then you make the sound, or you say if somebody falls, if the duck is going to bite the Peppa Pig, and then you say, oh no, ouch, ouch, it is hurting, ouch, ouch, like that. You have to exclaim about whatever is happening in the video. If you try this a few times, you will get it easily. Initially, it may be difficult, like what to talk, what will I tell about this. But as you keep working and as you keep describing, you will get it easily. If you're liking all these tips, send me some love by giving me a comment or sharing this video to another parent who might find it helpful. Let's go to the third tip. The third technique involves asking questions. So if this is the first time that you're going to make this interactive, remember that your child is not used to your presence when watching videos or used to your interaction when they're watching. So start with very simple and very basic questions just to get the interaction started and going. Once your child gets used to you and used to watching TV with you, then you can talk about it in more detail and ask very difficult questions. But initially, start with very simple questions. So let's say this is the video and you want to pause it and you're going to ask a very simple question. The most simplest question is to ask our children to point. Now this also might be a little bit of a difficult skill. That is, pointing can also be a difficult skill for some children. So then you encourage pointing. So very simple. Where is the dog? Where is the dog? Show me. It is here. So like this, just ask very simple pointing. Where is it? And ask your child to point. Once your child is able to point, then you can go to a little bit of more difficult question, or the question that most of your children will know. So who is this? What animal is this? This is a lion. This is a lion. Like this, you ask a very simple question of what. So this is the progression. You start with pointing, then ask about what it is, and then go to your other types of questions. Next time your child is watching videos, don't feel bad that you are the parent who's always giving your child a mobile phone. Sometimes it happens, we have to do that. So in that instance, try to make the interaction more interactive. Try to make it an interaction basically. Don't make it only one way. And remember the 3 techniques, that is pause, point, describe, pause, point, exclaim, pause, point and ask questions. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye.